Welcome to Review Rumble. The best power strip is probably one of the most underrated gadgets in your home or office. We rely on them daily, but how often do we actually think about the power strip itself? Today, we're diving deep into the world of heavy-duty power strips, exploring what makes them stand out, and helping you choose the perfect one to protect your valuable electronics and keep your space organized and powered up. Number 5. Mifaso 2-Pack Surge Protector Power Strip. This surge protector offers 900 joules of protection. It safeguards your computers, TVs, and other appliances from voltage fluctuations and spikes. This helps to keep your devices safe. It features 4 USB charging ports and 6 AC outlets. The USB ports intelligently detect and provide the fastest charging speed for your devices. It's a convenient all-in-one charging solution. The power strip has a 5-foot heavy-duty extension cord with a right-angle plug. It's also equipped with a 15-amp circuit breaker for overload protection. This design ensures safety and durability. The power switch has a built-in 15-amp circuit breaker. It protects your devices from power surges, overheating, and overcharging. The design also includes fire prevention measures. This product is ETL listed, ensuring it meets safety standards. Mifaso offers a 12-month warranty and customer service. You can use it with peace of mind. What we like. This power strip is perfect if you have a lot of devices to charge. It has multiple USB ports, so you can charge your phones, tablets, and other devices without needing extra adapters. If you are looking for a compact and safe power strip, this is a great choice. It is ETL listed, ensuring your safety. What people say. Includes USB as well as 3-prong electrical outlets. The power strip comes in a pack of 2, which is perfect for those who need multiple outlets. It features 6 outlets and 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at once. The power strip is also equipped with a 5-foot-long heavy-duty braided extension cord, which gives you the flexibility to place it wherever you need it. Nice flat plug and long fabric-coated cord. Number 4. CRST 6-outlet metal power strip. This power strip has 6 individual switches and a master switch, letting you control each device separately. The outlets are widely spaced to accommodate all plug sizes, so you can use multiple bulky adapters at once. This saves energy and makes things much more convenient. You can mount it directly using the built-in slots. There's also a tool-free adhesive bracket included for easy mounting. For a more permanent solution, use the screw-mounted bracket. It's designed to fit your needs. With 1,200 joules of surge protection, it safeguards your electronics from power issues. The 15-amp circuit breaker responds instantly to overloads. The 14 AWG-UL listed cord provides comprehensive protection. The metal power strip is made with extra-thick aluminum alloy housing, making it incredibly strong and durable. It's perfect for use in garages, workshops, kitchens, offices, homes, and schools. It features a 6-foot UL-listed cord with hook and loop fasteners. The individually controlled switches, flat plugs, and widely spaced receptacles enhance the user experience. All these details bring you more convenience. The aluminum housing and individual switches make it an excellent product. You'll receive an 18-month warranty and friendly customer service. It's a reliable choice. What we like. If you like to control each device separately, this power strip is for you. The individual switches allow you to easily turn off devices without unplugging them. It is also great for those with bulky adapters. If you are looking for a durable and versatile power strip for your garage or workshop, consider this one. What people say. The power strip has a heavy-duty design. It provides multiple outlets for various devices. The surge protection feature is a great addition. Number 3. CCCEI Heavy-Duty Power Strip Surge Protector. This power strip provides 1,200 joules of surge protection. It is designed to keep your devices safe from power fluctuations. The bright yellow aluminum housing makes it perfect for garages and workshops. This rugged design is built to withstand tough environments. It features 6 outlets, including both compact and wide-spaced options. This allows you to power multiple tools and devices at once. The metal construction and 6-foot 14 AWG power cord ensure durability. It also includes a cord holder for easy storage. ETL listed for safety, this power strip is built to last. It offers excellent quality and peace of mind. If you have any issues, please contact customer service. It also comes with a 1-year return policy. What we like. This power strip is designed for industrial use. It's built with a rugged metal construction and wide-spaced outlets, making it perfect for workshops and garages. If you are looking for a reliable and durable power strip for your tools and equipment, it is a great choice. What people say. Heavy-duty power strip, works great. The outlets are spaced far enough apart that you can plug in multiple large adapters without them blocking each other. The cord is thick and feels very durable. Number 2. Workshop 8-outlet surge protector with USB. This heavy-duty power strip is designed for industrial use. It features multiple outlets and USB ports, making it perfect for your workshop or garage. The power strip has a sturdy metal housing with a bright yellow finish. It's built to withstand tough environments and provide reliable power. With 8 outlets and 2,700 joules of surge protection, it safeguards your devices from power surges. It also includes a 15A circuit breaker for overload protection. The wide-spaced outlets accommodate larger plugs easily. It also includes USB ports for charging your devices. This is a convenient feature. It has a 6-foot extension cord with a Velcro wrap for easy cable management. The design includes 2 hanging holes for easy wall mounting. This makes it easy to organize your workspace. This power strip is ETL listed, ensuring it meets safety standards. It is durable and well-made, providing peace of mind. Please protect it if used outdoors. What we like. This power strip is ideal if you need a lot of outlets and USB ports in your workshop. It has a high surge protection rating, protecting your devices from power surges. If you are looking for a heavy-duty power strip with USB ports for your workshop, it is a great option. What people say. Heavy-duty power strip with plenty of outlets. The outlets are spaced far enough apart to accommodate larger plugs. The surge protection feature is a great addition for protecting electronics. Number 1. DEPOW 24-outlet surge protector power strip. This DEPOW power strip is the ultimate power solution for your home or office. It features 24 AC outlets and 6 USB ports, providing ample space to connect all your devices. It allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The power strip comes with an 8-foot heavy-duty extension cord for flexible placement. The outlets are spaced to accommodate larger adapters without blocking others. This design maximizes usability. This power strip is ETL listed and provides 3,400 joules of surge protection. It safeguards your electronics from power surges, ensuring their safety and longevity. It's perfect for home, office, or gaming setups. With its 45 degrees angled flat plug and mounting holes, it's easy to install wherever you need it. This design saves space and offers flexibility in placement. You can mount it on the wall or place it on your desk. The sleek black design blends seamlessly into any environment. Whether you need a gaming power strip, an office surge protector, or a home solution, it has you covered. It's a reliable and versatile power solution. What we like. This power strip is a powerhouse for your home or office. It has a large number of outlets and USB ports, allowing you to plug in all your devices. It also has a high surge protection rating to keep your electronics safe. If you are looking for a versatile and wall-mountable power strip, this is the one for you. What people say. This power strip has a whopping 24 AC outlets. It's been a total lifesaver for my home office and entertainment center. I have multiple computers, monitors, printers, and other devices running at once, and this power strip handles it all without a hitch. The 24 outlets are spaced out perfectly, so I don't have to worry about bulky plugs blocking other outlets. I love the convenience of having 6 USB ports on this power strip, and they're perfect for charging phones, tablets, and other USB powered devices. The 2 USB-C ports are especially handy for newer devices like my phone and laptop. This power strip has built-in surge protection, which is essential for protecting my expensive electronics. The last thing I want is for a power surge to fry my devices, and this power strip provides a reliable shield against that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.